Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.62. While solving this problem, we will be using total series resistance calculation formula. R equivalent of a series connection is calculated by taking the sum of all resistances connected in series connection. We also will be using parallel equivalent resistance calculation formula of two parallel connected resistances. R equivalent of two parallel connected resistances is calculated by taking the product of both resistances dividing by their sum. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.62. Find resistance RAB in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find total resistance of this network between these 2 points labeled as RAB. We will start solving this problem from this end and will simplify the circuit from right to left. First of all, these two resistances are connected in series connection. We can find their equivalent resistance by adding the values of both resistances together and replace that equivalent resistance instead of these two resistances. Sum of these two resistances will be 12 ohm. We can replace these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 12 ohm. Now this 12 ohm and this 6 ohm are converted into parallel connection. So we can find their equivalent resistance using this formula. R equivalent is equal to R1 multiplied by R2 divided by R1 plus R2. In this case, R1 will be 6 ohm and R2 will be 12 ohm. Place values inside this equation to calculate their equivalent resistance, that will be product of 6 and 12 divided by the sum of 6 and 12. R equivalent of these two parallel connected resistances will be 4 ohm. So we can replace these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 4 ohm. Now these two resistances are converted into series connection. We can find their equivalent resistance by adding the values of both resistances together. It will become 14 plus 4 ohm, 18 ohm. Now these two resistances are converted into parallel connection. Again we will use this formula to calculate their equivalent resistance. In this case, R1 will be 9 ohm and R2 will be 18 ohm. Place values inside the equation. Product of 9 and 18 divided by the sum of 9 and 18. Product of 9 and 18 will become 162 and sum of 9 and 18 will become 27. 162 divided by 27 will become 6 ohm. So we can replace these two resistances with a single resistance that will have the value of 6 ohm, and that 6 ohm will be in series to this 6 ohm. So their sum will be 12 ohm. We can replace these three resistances with a single resistance having the value of 12 ohm. Now these two resistances are converted into parallel connection and both resistances have same value. So we will use this formula to calculate their equivalent resistance. R equivalent is equal to R divided by N. Here R is the resistance of a single resistance and N is the number of same resistances that is connected in parallel connection. In this case, N is 2 and R is 12 ohm. So place values inside this equation. 12 divided by 2, it will become 6 ohm. So we can replace these two resistances with a single resistance having the value of 6 ohm. These two resistances are connected in series connection. Find their equivalent resistance by adding the values of both resistances. Sum of 6 and 6 ohm will become 12 ohm. Now the circuit is simplified. We can calculate resistance RAB between these 2 points by taking the R equivalent of these two parallel connected resistances. For the calculation of R equivalent of these two parallel connected resistances, again we will use this formula to calculate their equivalent resistance. In this case, R1 will be 12 ohm and R2 will be 6 ohm. Place values inside this equation. Product of 12 and 6 divided by the sum of 12 and 6. Product of 12 and 6 will become 72 divided by the sum of 6 and 12 will become 18. Now divide 72 with 18 to calculate the R equivalent of these two resistances, that is equal to RAB, and the value of RAB will become 4 ohm. So the value of RAB inside this network is 4 ohm. So this was exercise problem number 2.62. Thank you. See you again in next video.